Hello student, welcome to class. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter number 14, and chapter name is Means of Transport. Student, by this chapter we will be learn about the importance of transport in our life and the name of different transports and talk about the disadvantage of each. Okay, so let's start the video of this chapter. Which of these have you traveled by? Circle them. Student, when you travel by these vehicles, so you circle the vehicles. Ship, train, yes. You have traveled by train, yes. Then you circle the vehicles. Car, yes. Scooter, yes. Aeroplane, no. Elephant, no. Cycle, yes. Auto rickshaw, yes. Bull cart, no. Bus, yes. Aeroplane, no. Rickshaw. Okay, these vehicles are used to transport by you. And elephant, aeroplane, helicopter and ship are expensive vehicles, so you cannot travel by in easily way. Okay, student, which did you like traveling by the most? This question for you. Which did you like traveling by most? Train. Okay. Why did you like it? Have you traveled by any vehicles that are not so here? Tell your teacher about them. Student, train is very useful for us because they also carry food, coal, letters and other important goods. You used to car by traveling and scooter, cycle, auto rickshaw. These are very cheapest vehicles, but aeroplane, helicopter and ship are expensive vehicles. Student, do you know the ship is very old means of transport? People in some countries knew how to build ships thousands of years ago. Thousands of years ago, people used to travel by ship. The early ship moved with the help of wind direction. An ancient carving of people traveling on ship. Student, look this picture. This picture indicates an ancient period. People used to ship for traveling. How do you travel from home to school? Do you walk or do you take the school bus or a rickshaw? Your answer is school bus. You carry school bus to reach the school. Buses, rickshaw and cars are different means of transport in our daily lives. Bus, rickshaw, car and auto rickshaw, cycle, bike, scooter, these are different means of transport we use in our daily life. Means of transport are the way by which we move people and goods from one place to another place. What is transport? Transport means the way by which we move people and goods from one place to another place. Long ago, people did not have all these means of transport because in ancient period, people did not know about of any vehicles. Only they know about of ship. So they used to walk for long distance. They used to walk for long distance. Later they learned to use animals to carry people and goods. Horse, elephant, camel, bull, ox. These animals are used to carry goods and peoples to go and carry one place to another place. Then the wheels was invented and wheeled cart were made. These carts were drawn by animals. Student, look this picture. This picture is a cart. A cart drawn by a horse. Yeah, any animals. People built raft and boat to travel across river and the sea. Look this picture. This picture is a raft. Raft is made by tying together pieces of wood or logs with rope. However, all these means of transport were very slow. This transport run to very slow. Craft, raft and ship. This transport is very slow. But over time, human beings started making faster train and planes. Faster and better means of transport like as cars, buses, train and planes. These could take us to faraway places very quickly. We use car, bus, train and planes to any place very quickly. Let us read about some of transport means of transport. There are three modes of transport like as land transport, water transport and air transport. Student, land transport. The form of land transport that move on land, not water. Such as buses, cars, scooter and train are called land transport. Buses, train, cars, scooter, bike, auto rickshaw, rickshaw, tempo, these are called land animals, land transport. And also we use animals are also an important means of land and transport. Bull carts and tanga are used in many parts of India. Tanga are small horse-drawn cart. Student, this is tanga. Bull carts, cycle, buses, scooter and tractor are used as means of transport in village. In village area, village people use tractor, cycle, carts, buses, scooter to means of transport. In city area, people travel by bicycle, scooter, auto rickshaw, car and buses. City area, people travel by bicycle, scooter, auto rickshaw, car and buses. Some cities also have the metro rail and local train. In Delhi, Some people used to travel metro rail at Bombay area. Some people used to local train for traveling. Student, trains are very useful. Besides people, they also carry food, coal, lettuce, and others important goods. Student, most of people travel by train because train is very useful. Train carry our foods, coal, letters, and other important goods for long distance. So train is very useful. At time, we need to travel long distance. For example, from one city to another, then we usually use train. Trains run on railway track. We use train to long distance, to travel long distance. Example of from one city to another city. Student, look this picture. This picture of what traffic jams. There are different means of transport in a city. Most cities have so many vehicles that traffic jams like these are common. Student, look this picture. In this picture, there are different types of vehicles. Cars, rickshaw, auto rickshaw, buses, trucks, scooter, bikes, cycles. Okay? Smoke from vehicles dirties the air and makes us fall ill. Avoid using vehicles for traveling short distance. Student, this is good habit. One for you, avoid using vehicles for traveling short distance. Try to walk whenever you can. Walking also helps to keep our body fit. Second, water transport. We use boats, ferries, and ships to carry people and goods across water. We actually use boat to cross river and ships to cross seas. Water transport is slow, but it is one of the cheapest way of transporting. Student, water transport is very slow in travel, but this is very cheapest way of transporting. Water transport use heavy and bulky materials like machines, food, grains, oil and coals. Okay? Third, air transport. Student, there are three types of transport: land transport, water transport, and last, air transport. Aeroplane and helicopter fly in the sky. Aeroplanes are the fastest and one of the most expensive means of transport. We use aeroplane when we need to travel over long distance. We also use them when we want to reach a place quickly. So, helicopter and aeroplane is most expensive means of transport. We want to reach a place quickly, we use aeroplane. Okay, student? In this chapter, we have learned about our transport and types of transport: sea transport, land transport, water transport, and air transport. Animals help us in many ways. So we should learn to respect them. We should love and take care of them because animals carry to people and load to one place to another place. Okay, student. Firstly, you read this chapter line by line and learn about of vehicles and types of vehicles. Okay, thanks.